Hello YouTube. Today we have a very interesting problem I'm going to try to help you with, and this is my first video, hopefully many. My inspiration was Mr. Vlad from California. I'll give him a heads up later. But anyways, this is what we're working on for a good friend of mine, and he has this problem where the shift fork broke through the pivot ball and basically made the clutch not work. So we have a new one in here that we're going to try to modify. We've seen on the internet. So with a little research, I found this. This looks exactly like the OEM one, but what they did is they modified it and welded a plate back here. And that is supposed to give it more strength. And that's exactly what we're going to do. Stay tuned. Now we're going to take this steel, we're going to grind out a piece into the correct shape, and then we're going to weld it. So we're going to start off by putting it here, and I'm going to mark it. Alright, I'm back. I finished the piece. It has to be slightly smaller than the opening, so you can fit it inside and weld it. I'm going to start tacking it and welding it. Now we're just gonna clean this off and then spray it. I'm gonna use some parts cleaner. It evaporates really fast. Just to make sure there's no grease on it. We're not doing body work here, we're just preventing it from rusting. Let it sit here. And you're gonna see already, it's gonna start drying off really fast. And at the same time, we're going to take some primer and shake up some primer. Now for this piece, I'm gonna clean it and show you why I'm changing it, so it's something you can look into. Okay, so I want to show you these two things. Why am I changing this? So it gets a groove in here. There's two grooves in here where the throwout bearings gets caught up onto, and this is the beginning of that problem that we saw with the clutch fork. And I'm going to show you the new one and the old one. So you take a straight edge and you put it against it. You could put it up against the light, and you could see, can you see the light coming out? You could see the groove, how it's on. In person, you could see that it's grooved, and you could feel it. But I'm trying to show you on camera. And this is the new one. You see that smooth line of light coming through it? And that's what we're trying to achieve. It's going to slide on it nice and smooth, not get caught like this one. And this is very understated. A lot of people don't even look at this. All in all, this is what we completed. Oop. Went from this to this. This kind of looks nasty. See, it got weakened and broke right there. There's cracks all over this thing. Alright, hopefully this helps. Now it's time to install the transmission. So if you like the content in this video, please like and subscribe. And if you don't, please like and subscribe and leave a comment, because I live off that shit. And just remember, if you ain't got haters, you ain't popping.